Yeah, so the complexity in the oil and gas space and the variability certainly makes scalability of technology a challenge. I would say that there are ways to address that, and largely I think of it in two ways. One is building and leveraging software capabilities and technology that help distill all that information. So instead of having a person need to go through 10,000 documents, you can use a computer to do that and pull out the most important pieces of information and then map those all together. So you can use software and a lot of the advances over the past 5, 10, 20 years to help digest that complexity and get over that first hurdle to scalability. And then the second thing that I'd say is you don't need to have the most robust solution for every single customer. There are some customers who, for whom the answer they're looking for and the value they're looking for doesn't need the most complex solution. And so to deliver the most value for and the most benefit for the cost that those clients are looking to invest, you can find the simple or the right solution for that benefit as opposed to the most robust one, which also helps get over the kind of complexity hurdle in the space.